Who's the asshole you're going up against?
Actually, I think you know him pretty well. His name is Harvey Specter. He plays it real tight.
You gotta be kidding me. A 5-hour flight and all you came up with was Sphincter?
I stand by Specter. But you want something better? How about this? I represent Jeremy Wall, and he wants out of his contract with Brick Street.
Wait a second. Out?
Mm-hmm. Jeremy's deal stipulates they do no harm to his image, and exploiting overseas workers is textbook harm.
Exploiting its workers? Where's he getting that idea?
He went on a goodwill trip. He saw the factory himself.
Well, if you want me to sell them on this, he's gonna have to give them their money back.
Oh, he's not giving back a dime.
He's not walking for free.
I figured you might say that, so I brought a little incentive. Breach of contract.
I see what this is. You don't want me to convince Brick Street. You want to take me on.
I'll take you on, kick your ass. I mean, what's the difference?
Well, in that case, why don't you and Jeremy pop by tomorrow? And by pop by, I mean sit for a deposition.
Let me get this straight. Not only did you take my client without telling me, you scheduled a deposition with the other side?
Wait, her client?
Mike, meet Samantha Wheeler. I gave her Brick Street about a month ago. I might have forgotten to mention that to you last night. Samantha, meet Mike Ross.
Protege.
Okay, why did she just say it like that?
If I had to take a guess, it's because she thought you'd be taller.
I'm the same height as you.
The lies we tell ourselves.
Mr. Wall, you claim to have seen objectionable factory conditions.
I'm not claiming anything. I saw them. Those people are miserable.
And misery isn't a violation of international law. Are they violating international law?
I don't know.
No, you don't, because you're a basketball player. You're not a lawyer.
That doesn't mean I can't tell when something's not right.
And when exactly did you start thinking something wasn't right?
When I visited that factory 6 months ago.
And yet you're only bringing this up now? Why?
Because, like you said, I'm a basketball player. I didn't know what to do or who to go to.
No, you were afraid you wouldn't be paid your full contract.
Don't talk to my client like that. And you can't speak to his motivations.
I don't care about his motivations. What I want to know is why he lied about being contacted by an activist named Charles who?
I didn't lie about anything.
You said you didn't care about the conditions until 6 months ago. He wrote you 18 months ago. Sounds like a lie to me.
That letter got me a little concerned, but I didn't take it seriously until I saw the conditions myself.
And what you need to take seriously is that you had 1 year to blow the whistle, and you are 6 months too late.
All right, you got yourself a deal. But one thing, no crying in your coffee. We end this thing on good terms, no matter who wins.
You got it. Make sure to accept your loss gracefully. Mr. Haskins, how many people work in your factories in China?
Approximately 2,000.
And are you aware that those 2,000 people work twice what they're supposed to?
That's a fabrication, and there's no record of
You
it.
want a record? These people make less than 20 cents an hour. You make 20 million a year. How do you live with yourself?
Every company makes clothes the same way. Is it perfect? No. But we can't compete if we don't do the same thing. And we're not violating the terms of Jeremy's contract.
No, you're just building an empire on the backs of women and children.
Are you kidding me?
Don't you say that. No children are involved.
So it's just women then?
You're twisting my words. We break no local laws, no international
And yet
laws.
conditions are so bad that 2 people have killed themselves in the last 2 years.
Raymond, do
God
not...
damn it, I don't care how many people have killed themselves. This has nothing to do with my company. We abide by the law.
Are you done? Because you can get emotional and he can get emotional and you still have no evidence, no jury, and no case. And I don't have to remind you that this testimony is not to be revealed outside this room.
And tomorrow morning, we go to a judge, and then I send you back to wherever you came from with nothing but your crocodile tears and a big fat loss.
What the hell did you do?
What are you talking about? I didn't do anything.
You bribed Charles Hu to say I contacted him a year and a half ago with a scheme to break up Jeremy's contract, and I can't dispute it because we're on the record saying the guy's a saint.
Mike, listen to me. I had nothing to do with it.
It's not bullshit, Mike. He's telling the truth.
Okay, well, if it wasn't you, then it was her. So my question is, what are you gonna do about it?
What the hell can I do about it?
You can say she fabricated evidence like she did.
Are you out of your mind? Do you know what would happen to her?
I don't care. She is cheating my client out of a company that can change people's lives.
And I'm not gonna sell her out. Just like I'd do for you if you were still here.
Oh, I don't believe this. You're pissed that I left.
No, Mike, I'm glad that you left. And you could have come back to visit any time, but you came back to pick a fight with me that you rigged 6 months ago.
Oh, so it's not that I left, it's just that I beat you.
No, you almost did. I was gonna let you get away with it, but she didn't. And I might want to kill her, but I'm not gonna betray her.
I don't care about her, I care about you. You gave me your word, and the Harvey I know wouldn't break his word and screw over a bunch of innocent people in the process.
Mike.
No, you've lost yourself, Harvey, and you know it. Your Honor, if Faye Richardson can't even bother to show up to defend a motion she filed, then I move to dismiss...
Faye Richardson won't be defending anything. We will.
Is this some kind of joke?
No, it's not, but your lawsuit is. Harvey Specter and Lewis lit for the defense, Your Honor.
Your Honor, my client and I need to have a moment.
No, I don't need a moment to do anything.
Samantha.
No, I don't know what's going on here, but if Faye thought I would fold just because she sent you two, she's got another thing coming.
And what you have coming is a dismissal because our client had every right to fire you.
Bull. She accused me of crossing a line with zero evidence.
She didn't need evidence because our bylaws say the managing partner can terminate anyone for any reason without cause.
You have proof of this?
Right here.
Then I have no choice but to dismiss the case.
Except for one thing, Your Honor. The bylaw you just entered was from page 72, paragraph 3, but 9 paragraphs down in a section he conveniently didn't bring, it clearly states that any managing partner not ratified by a vote is to be deemed acting and does not have certain rights, including specifically termination without cause.
Is this true?
Technically, yes.
Well, then technically, I don't see any reason why this can't move forward.
Your Honor, there's...
Save it. You tried to put one by me. I'm moving this up in my docket to the first available slot.
You're representing her? What the hell is that?
Samantha, if they're defending her, then no one will suspect them of helping us. Harvey, I gotta hand it to you.
Don't, because this wasn't a move.
Wait a second, you're actually representing her? Bull, that's not what we talked about.
Well, things changed when Faye said she was going to prove Samantha fabricated that evidence.
A settlement offer? Are you kidding me? We started this to get Faye out. This lets her stay and leaves me with nothing.
Every court case in history has come down to one thing. Proof. And the facts of this case are...
Faye Richardson fired my client without proof, and now she is making the outrageous claim that she didn't have to show cause.
Even though she didn't need a reason to fire Miss Wheeler, she had one, because as anyone who's ever worked with her knows, she's a nightmare.
But not liking someone is not reason enough to steal their livelihood. And my client is not only loyal and fierce, but she is a brilliant attorney.
And they can say she's a saint all they want. But Faye Richardson
Deemed my client guilty and passed sentence without proof of anything. And so, ladies and gentlemen,
it is your job to keep them from getting away with it.
Miss Richardson, I'll keep this short. Do you like my client?
Not particularly, no.
Do you think she's a good lawyer?
I think she wins cases.
So you thought the firm would be better off without a good lawyer who wins cases just because you happen to hate her?
I didn't say I hate her. You're putting words in my mouth.
Well, then how about we use some of your own?
Faye, good afternoon. 8 years ago, you fired an attorney, listed a reason in her paperwork, and then she sued you. Isn't that right? Don't look at them. Answer the question. Were you sued for wrongful termination?
Yes, I was.
Fantastic. Because I happen to have my termination paperwork here today. Would you mind telling the court what you listed as cause?
I didn't list a reason.
And I bet I know why. Because you learned you don't need a reason. But if you give one, you better damn well be able to back it up.
Objection. Now who's testifying?
Did you or did you not look me in the eye and say the reason you fired me was because you knew I had crossed a line?
I did.
But you didn't know. You had no proof. And when I pointed that out, you said you didn't care. Isn't that true?
You're not giving the full context.
The context is you wanted me gone because you think I'm an asshole.
I never said that.
No, your lawyers did. But one of those lawyers just took a road trip with my client to find her father. The other invited her to his wedding.
None of this has anything to do with...
My character? It sure as hell does, because I had friends at your firm. Miss Richardson, do you?
Seriously, Mike, I'm glad you called. I appreciate you being here for me. Not just tonight, with all of this.
Hey, you did it for me.
Well, it's late. We both need to be at our best tomorrow.
What's this?
A subpoena. We're calling you to the stand.
What?
Look, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? We're supposed to be here as friends, and this whole time you've been sitting on a subpoena?
I don't like having to do this either.
Well, then why the hell are you doing any of it? We had a plan. Something changed. I want to know what it is.
We can't talk about it.
God damn it, Harvey. When the hell did you stop trusting me? You know what? You're right. This was a nice break, but it is over.
Your Honor, defense calls Mike Ross to the stand.
Objection. My client has a right to attorney-client privilege.
In per Kern v. California, I'm not going to ask about things since you've been her lawyer. I'm going to ask about what happened before.
Then there's nothing for me to testify to, and Kern doesn't apply.
Are you kidding me? You went against her on the very case you say led to her dismissal.
Is this true, Mr. Ross?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then swear him in.
Mr. Ross, isn't it true that Miss Wheeler wiped the floor with you on the Brick Street Athletics case?
She won. Yes.
And what were your feelings after she wiped the floor with you?
Objection, Your Honor. Baiting.
I'll rephrase. What were your feelings after your client lost his precious little company that you were trying to help him start?
I was upset.
Upset? Isn't it true that the night you lost that case, you accused me of fabricating evidence?
I did.
And when I denied it, what did you say exactly?
Objection. The witness can't be asked to recall the exact words of a conversation that happened weeks ago.
He can if he has a perfect memory. You do have a perfect memory, don't you, Mr. Ross? Isn't that what you're always bragging about?
Yes, but
No buts. You said she fabricated evidence. You said she bribed somebody. You said she cheated your client out of his company. Now, I may not have a perfect memory, but I sure as hell remember that. Am I wrong?
I don't care what I said. I had no proof that anyone fabricated anything, and neither did your client the night she fired mine.
No, she just knew it in her gut. Exactly like you did the night you came screaming at me. No further questions, Your Honor.
I said something else that night that clearly you've forgotten.
Objection, we didn't
I
ask.
said that you've lost yourself, and as far as I'm concerned, that's still true.
And as far as the law is concerned, my opening statement is still true, because it doesn't matter if Miss Wheeler crossed a line or not. Faye Richardson had cause.
To hell with this case. I'll call Samantha. We'll drop this thing right now.
That's not an option. Never was.
Because if Faye suspects us of tanking it.
She won't just stay here. She'll wipe us off the map. And the cherry on top, she's putting me on the stand tomorrow.
What? Harvey, Samantha told you the truth. You can't take the
I've been
stand.
over it from every angle. We can't stop it. There's only one thing left for me to do.
Wait, please tell me that you are not planning on lying.
Mike, it's the only way. I say I can't remember. Fail call me before the bar. I'll just stick to my story.
And then she will convince them to take your license. And then what the hell did we do this for?
You did it for me. That's the end of it. I just came here to tell you that I never stopped trusting you.
No. We're not going down this way.
Did you hear me? I just told you I already looked at every possibility.
And what was the first thing you taught me to do when someone puts a gun to your head?
There aren't 146 ways out of this.
Good, because all we need is one. And the answer to this is to take that gun back and point it at her goddamn head.
And I'm telling you, Faye isn't like anyone else. We can't just blackmail her. She won't fold.
Well, then we have to make her think that if she hands us in, they're gonna believe us, not her.
Meaning?
Harvey, you and I conned the world for years. I think it's time for one last con.
Okay. Everything looks in order.
The hell it does. Your lawyer tampered with my goddamn witness.
Bullshit, I didn't tamper with anyone.
You gonna say you didn't anonymously send Katrina the criminal code for perjury to intimidate her?
God damn it, did you play dirty in my name? Because if you did,
You won't do shit, Faye. All I did was stop her from testifying like you asked.
You asked him to go to my witness?
Don't you dare try to twist this.
We're not twisting anything. And when you call Harvey to the stand, I'll ask one question. Did you tell him to shut down Katrina Bennett or not?
And then we'll ask if you convinced Katrina to perjure herself.
You coward. She's got you so wrapped around her finger.
What did you just say to me?
Back the hell off my lawyer.
I'm not backing off anything, least of all this little piece of shit.
Enough! You lay another finger on anyone in my firm and you'll be up for assault charges. And if you two don't get out of here inside 5 seconds, I'm telling the judge you came in here to get a mistrial.
You heard the woman. Get the hell out.
You know what? You people make me sick, and I can't wait to put you all behind me.
Well, then don't wait, Faye. Get the hell out right now.
Excuse me?
He said you're done here.
Because that document you just put your name to, Gretchen switched it on your ass during the fight. And it's now in order for Harvey to witness tamper by any means necessary.
I get it. You think you set me up?
No, Faye, we did set you up.
Because first, you ordered Katrina to fire Samantha, and then you ordered me to witness tamper.
Well, I don't care what you had me sign. No one's gonna believe you didn't trick me.
Well, we think they will, because Katrina came to see you last night, and there's record of it in the lobby downstairs.
And after she did, you went to see Harvey. And there's a record of that, too.
And when I refused contact with Katrina, You called Gretchen into your office and had her send the criminal code to intimidate her out of testifying.
This is bull.
It may be bullshit, but to a jury, it's gonna look like a hot fudge sundae. Face it, it's over.